Looking for a cordless blower that combines professional-grade power with portability? The Bosch GBL18V-450, part of Bosch's Pro Factor lineup, might just be the perfect solution. Whether you're a contractor cleaning up job sites or a homeowner looking to tackle stubborn debris, this blower offers top-tier performance while remaining lightweight and manageable. But does it live up to its hype? Let's dive into the details of the Bosch and see if it's the right tool for you. The Bosch stands out due to its impressive airspeed of 123 miles per hour and an air volume capacity of 450 CFM, which are both more than enough for handling tough tasks like clearing large amounts of debris or leaves. Its brushless motor combined with bit-turbo technology ensures greater efficiency and durability. This motor technology also provides a longer lifespan compared to traditional brush motors, making it a top choice for professionals who need reliable equipment on job sites. In terms of design, this blower strikes a balance between ergonomics and power. At 6.6 pounds, it's lightweight for a professional-grade blower, which makes it easier to handle for extended periods without significant hand fatigue. It's also designed with a compact, well-balanced structure, helping it to stay comfortable during use, even in more demanding conditions. The variable speed dial lets you fine-tune the output based on the task, while the trigger lock button reduces strain by allowing continuous operation without needing to hold down the trigger. Another feature worth highlighting is the 64 decibel noise level, which is surprisingly quiet for such a powerful tool. This makes it suitable for use in noise-sensitive environments like residential areas without causing excessive disturbance. Setting up the blower is quick and hassle-free, thanks to the twist and click assembly system. Additionally, the blower includes a hanger slot for easy storage, a nice touch that adds convenience when organizing your workspace. Ready to check out this powerful and portable blower? Head to the product description and follow the link to explore pricing and availability on Amazon. Every tool has its strengths and areas for improvement. Here's a breakdown of the main drawbacks and advantages of the Bosch blower. Battery not included. Heavier than previous models. Limited runtime at full power. Despite these drawbacks, the Bosch has a lot to offer. Now let's switch gears and look at its advantages. High air volume and speed. Quiet operation. Efficient brushless motor. Compatible with AMP share batteries. Variable speed control. The Bosch GBL18V-450N is a well-rounded, professional-grade blower that combines impressive power with user-friendly features. Whether you're a contractor needing to clear job sites quickly or a homeowner looking for a reliable tool to keep your yard tidy, this blower offers performance that competes with corded models while giving you the freedom of cordless operation. If you're intrigued, hit the link in the description to check the latest prices on Amazon. See you in the next review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool insights.